Hey everyone, my name is Glesel Andatuin and welcome to my channel. So, I'm here to discuss the 5 pillars of criminal justice system. So, let's go! What is criminal justice system? Criminal justice system is a set of legal and social institutions for enforcing the criminal law in accordance with the defined set of procedural rules and limitations. Our criminal justice system is composed of 5 pillars that function like a chain of links, namely, law enforcement, prosecution, court, correction, and community. The first pillar of criminal justice is law enforcement. The rule of law enforcement is to conduct a preliminary investigation or to gather the information or report about an allegation. Pagkatapos naman mag-gather ng mga pulis, yung mga evidence na kanilang naipon, ipapasa naman nila ito sa prosecution. The rule of prosecution is to determine the evidence that based on the report of the police. If the same day, makita ng inquest na meron siyang probable cause, dadalhin nila ito sa court. Tumatagal ito ng 3 to 25 years yung kaso mo. The main rule of the courts is to interpret and apply the law. In terms of criminal justice process, the court serves as a place in which a trial is heard and the sentence decided. Dito sa court, dito pag-aaralan yung mga ebidensya na nakuha ng mga pulis. So, after how many years na na-prove na ng jury or the judge yung kaso and you are guilty, didiretso ka na ng mga pulis sa correction. Correction is a critical stage in criminal justice process where the offender is taken for rehabilitation and correction after being found guilty by a court of law. So, sa loob ng ilang taon na natapos mo na yung kaso na pinataw sa'yo ng korte, at na-proven mo na ikay nagbago, then doon na papasok ang community. So ano nga ba ang rule ng community sa criminal justice system? The community is the 5th pillar of the criminal justice system. The rule of the community as a pillar are to help the law enforcement by giving information to maintain the prevention of crime. So, bale, sa community, dito nag-uumpisa ang lahat, no? Tumutulong sila sa mga law enforcement para yung pagtulong sa pagsugpo ng mga krimen. Isa din sa role ng community is to forgive or for example, na yung mga tao na galing sa kulungan is handa nang magbago. Ang role ng community is to tanggapin sila at bigyan ng chance. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.